Two.
Gesundheit.
Two.
Bless you. So as you can see, different people respond in different ways when someone sneezes.
Two.
Now I did a little research, and Americans, people from England, Scotland, Ireland, people from the UK, Australians and New Zealanders, we all say bless you when someone sneezes. Bless you. Now the word Gesundheit is of course not English, it's originally German, but Americans say it too. Apparently, British people don't say it, Australians don't say it, New Zealanders don't say it. For some reason, only American English speakers say it. And of course, German people. If you're a Spanish speaker, you would say salud. Salud. Now, salud is also used as a kind of kanpai or cheers when you take a drink. And Japanese people don't say anything. I have one American friend who came to Japan many years ago, and he was a little bit insulted because when he sneezed, Japanese people didn't say anything. How rude, he thought. But of course, it's just a different culture. However, if you do have some English-speaking friends, and they sneeze, and you answer with bless you, or Gesundheit if you know they're Americans, they might be very impressed with your politeness. So that's my cultural tip for today. My name is Victor, the Action Teacher. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you next time.
Action Teacher!